Hi everybody, this is my homework. Consonant vowel. English. Speak it, write it, read it. You know you really need it. Don't forget, first you close it, then you lock it and put the key back in your pocket. Busy. Work all day. Run away. Boss and me. Can't agree. Fill a cup. Drink it up. Wait a while. Walk a mile. Meditate. Don't be late. Consonant. Consonant. Outdoor. Outdoor. Her bread. Herb bread. Big globe. Big globe. Right tie. Right tie. Top layer. Top layer. Black cape. Black cape. Did ya? Did you? Would ya? Would you? Didn't ya? Didn't you? Don't ya? Don't you? Did you call about your job? What did you find out? Would you arrange travel? Why didn't you tell me? Didn't you major in management? Don't you speak Japanese? Don't you speak Japanese? What's your name? Who's your mother? Bye bye.